I follow all the advice. I went on viral on TikTok. And after a month of grinding, I made just over $150. That's when I realized I'd fallen right into the TikTok money trap. But I found a way out. And it involved using TikTok to make over $700 on a platform. Everyone told me was dead. The trap isn't TikTok itself. The trap is thinking TikTok alone will make you rich because the creator fund pays pennies. We're talking a 2 to 4 cent RPM. Live gifts, they're super inconsistent. Your income becomes a roller coaster, completely dependent on who happens to tap on your live stream that day. And the creativity program beta, it's a carrot on a stick. Sure, the RPM is higher, but it forces you to make longer videos just to qualify. You're still chasing views instead of building a real sustainable business. So, the way out of this trap isn't to quit TikTok. It's to stop trying to earn from it and start using it to earn elsewhere. I stopped seeing TikTok as a paycheck and started using it as a billboard. My goal for every video was simple: provide insane value, and then drive my audience to a place where I could actually make money. For me, that place was Facebook groups. Everyone told me it was dead, but that's exactly why it worked. No algorithm hiding my content, a dedicated community, and direct access to my most engaged fans. I used TikTok massive reach to fuel a community on Facebook, and that's where the real money started happening. And inside that Facebook group, the trust was just 10 times higher. I could share an affiliate link for a budgeting app I genuinely use every day. And because I already provided so much value, people were happy to support me. I could also sell a simple, affordable digital product, like a $15 meal prep guide. It wasn't pushy, it was just helpful because I provided real value first. People actually bought. The result? In 1 month, from a group of just a few thousand peoples, I made over $788. And honestly, this entire strategy is one of the biggest budget tips I can give you. Stop wasting your most valuable asset, your time, on platforms that don't pay you what you're worth. To help you get started and prove how valuable this can be, I'm giving away the exact meal prep guide that's made me over $500 for free right now. The link download it is in the description below. Don't be a slave to the algorithm. Use it to build your own empire.